This is our online store. This is what our customers interact with. And also account managers can also interact with this as well, should you wish to purchase on your customer's behalf. Um, in the back office video, we talked about setting up account admin users, and one of the good things about it is that you can also set yourself up as an account admin for your customers, should you wish to. So this is the front page of the online store, and this is what our customers will see when they visit shop.bunzl.com.au. They can view the products that we display on the website. We show them a limited basket of about 1,200 products. When a user logs into the website, they'll then see the view of products that are tied to their particular stockroom and also their custom catalog products. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sign in as a customer. So when I click on this sign in button up in the top left hand corner, I'll be presented with this dialog box. And here's where I put in my email address and also my password. This is the password that I would have set when I received a welcome to the Bunzl online store email. And then it's all self-service. So if I do forget my password, I can click on this link here and then it'll take me through to another page where I'll enter in my first name, last name, and email address. And then I can request a new password. So that'll get sent straight to my email. So I'm just going to log in. And the first thing that pops up, so if you're tied to more than one particular ship to, then you'll see that there is an option here to type it to select your ship to. So some people might have a few, some people might have hundreds, and you can also search as well. So when I start typing into this box here, I can type in a postcode or type in the name. So there we go. For the purposes of this, I'm going to sign in as Benitez, and when I click continue, it'll load in, and now I'm suddenly seeing the Benitez view. So when I start to navigate through the website, the products that I see will be the ones that are available in my stockroom. So there's a couple of different ways that I can search for product. I can either do it using the mega menus here. So we've got cleaning, then we've got a couple of subcategories here as well. So we've got a level 2 subcategory of chemicals and then a level 3 subcategory of dishwashing and general cleaning. And it's the same for all the other categories too. So just say, for example, if I click on one of these, let's click on gloves. And here I'm presented with the range of gloves that we currently sell. So I can refine the results here. So there's a couple of options here. So Benetez has their own catalog, so I can actually refine based on catalog view. And you'll notice that the products that come up by default all have a little catalog icon here at the top and a blue bar. So those results will generally come up first. I can also just see catalog products if I want to. So actually it looks as though all of these products here are catalog products. So I've got 40 catalog products and then 40 results found here at the top. Let's narrow it down based on the brand. So let's click Catermaster. And here I've got a view of all the Catermaster products. So with products like gloves, and you'll notice a few of these as we go through, where there's a variation in size or color or capacity, there'll be a drop-down box that appears. So when I click this drop-down box, there's a few different options there for size. And when I click one, I can just add it to my cart from there. Okay, so you can add it from this main grid view. You can also add a product when you actually click on a product. So if I click on the name, it'll take me through to the product page. And then here's all the information relating to the product. It'll also tell me my stock availability, 340. And then see if this one doesn't have a description. But then under details, it'll have all the attributes that are associated for this particular product. So there we go. And you can also add it to a list and add it to a quote from here as well. So let's just add one of these to my cart. Okay, so that's searching for a product using the mega menu. And the other way that you can search for a product is by looking it up via the search bar. So just say, for example, I type in PS1004. It's the wrong product. PS1001. Let's do that one. All right, so here's the PS1001. So there's just one result, so it's going to take me directly to that product. And here are all the specifics relating to that. I can add it to my cart again. And now let's just say, for example, I want to check out as a customer. So when I click on View Cart, so here are all the items in my shopping cart. Looks as though I've got a few from my last shopping session. So if you do have items in your cart and then you close the session or accidentally log off, then they'll be saved when you come back to it. Okay, so I can go through this list here. I can change the quantities should I wish to. So let's remove that. More of these. And then when you start changing some of the values, then it'll prompt you to update your cart before you can check out. The checkout button's grayed out. So when I click update cart, it'll update my totals just above it. And then there'll be this checkout bar here too. I can also remove product from my cart. So if I click on this bin icon, it'll remove it. And also I can add these products to my favorite, to a list as well. So if I click on this one here, I can add this to my office list, or I can create a new list should I wish to. So that's my office list. Okay. All right, so let's check out. So here I'll review my order information. I've got a preferred delivery date, and in the instances where a customer can only receive deliveries on set days of the week, the items that they can select will be in black, whereas everything else will be grayed out. If the order does occur after cutoff time, then it'll allow you to select only the next available delivery day. You can also put in your own purchase order number and also any delivery instructions. So if there's a particular dock or if you want it to be left at reception, the options there as well for our customers. So we can just go through and confirm all our orders, all our order details, invoice address, shipping address, and then once we're ready, we can click submit order. And it will then take us through to this order confirmation page. Now this, you'll also receive an email there'll also be an email that gets sent to the user. And this is just exactly what you receive in your email as well. So that's how you place an order. And you can also print your receipt through this as well. So if I click print receipt, it'll just bring it up on the screen and then I can print it that way. All right, so that's how you place an order as a customer.